Hello, welcome to Module 2 of Unit 1 for the week September 28th to August 2nd. Here we are, Day 1, September 28th. First, you are going to watch the video to see what we will do today. Then, we will go to the Async folder. You have two activities to do today. The first activity is in your Future Advanced textbook. You are going to complete page 9, number 3, sections B and C in your book. If you don't have your book, you can just write it in a notebook. Your second activity in Async is a Nearpod on gerunds and infinitives, part 2. Some people are having difficulty with infinitives, so we are doing a continuation of the lesson. Please make sure you are completing the Nearpod lessons. It makes a big difference if you are doing the lessons. So you put your name in, you click a join session, and then you click and take notes. This is a review. Take a quiz, answer 10 questions. Remember, you must complete the quiz. Okay, just going to keep going. Now, for the purposes of this, I am not putting correct answers. It might be that I am, but just for the purposes, you must answer all the questions in the quiz before you continue. And then you submit, and you'll see your score, and then you keep going, and you click and take notes. This is a video. Click and read and take notes. This is a question. You are going to put in a gerund in the blank spaces. So these are different sentences. So you have blank makes me happy is one sentence. Blank is a good form of exercise is the second sentence. Blank makes me angry is the third one. Blank is dangerous is the fourth one. So you're going to do all four here in the box. Then click submit and keep going. The different ways to use gerunds. All right, another video, a matching, keep going, another game, and a video, and that's it. Please make sure you are completing the Nearpods. They have a lot of information about the grammar point. Now let's see what's in the sync folder. So we go back. Today is Monday, so we have class together on Zoom. So we are going to do our little check-in, see how everyone's doing. We will do some textbook activities, and we will talk about context clues. What are context clues and how we use them when we're reading? And we'll read a short article. And here's the audio, and we will do these activities together in our small groups. And that's it for today. Good luck.